देशवासियों नमस्कार, वेलकम टू सिटीजन चैनल. I am Jitender. PM Modi addressed the United Nations General Assembly and attended the first in the person Quad Summit meeting and held a bilateral and multilateral engagement including with the Joe Biden, Kamala Harris and his Australian and Japanese counterpart. The common target is Pakistan, China and corona pandemic. In his 22 minutes and 5 second speech, he spoke on Afghanistan and corona epidemic. He said that it is very important to ensure that the soil of Afghanistan is not used to spread terrorism. There is the direct message when he spoke about the regressive thinking. He is referring to both. He said that the country which are using the terrorism as a political tool, regressive thinking, they have to understand that terrorism is an equally big threat to them. PM Modi said that our sea are also the common heritage. So we have to keep in mind that ocean resource should be used and not abused. That is the very clear message to China. Our sea are also the lifeline of the international trade and we have to protect them. The race of expansion and exclusion. At the beginning of his speech, the Prime Minister said, "Congratulations to Abdul Shahid ji on becoming the president. Your becoming the president is the matter of the pride for all the developing country, especially for the small developing country. And we are facing the biggest pandemic. I pay to tribute those who lost their life in such a tribute pandemic and express my condolence with their families." Prime Minister Modi said that polluted water is a big problem not only for India but for the whole world. And to counter this challenge, we are undertaking a massive campaign to provide the clean drinking water to over the 170 million households across India. And every sixth person in the world is an India. India progress will accelerate global growth. And India is known to the mother of democracy. When the India grow, the world will grow. When the India reform, the world transform. The Prime Minister said that in the last 7 years, more than 43 crore people in India have been connected to banking system. And more than 36 crore such people have got insurance cover who could not even think of it earlier. PM Modi invoked the Acharya Chanakya, Deen Dayal Upadhyay, Rabindranath Tagore in his speech. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met US Vice President Kamala Harris in Washington DC. Both leaders exchanged the view on the recent global development, including in Afghanistan and Indo-Pacific region. PM Modi and Kamala Harris also discussed the COVID-19 situation in their respective countries. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said he had productive bilateral and multilateral engagement as they held their first bilateral meeting. The two leaders discussed a wide range of priority issues, including the combating the coronavirus pandemic, climate change, economic cooperation, and ensure the stability in the Indo-Pacific region. PM Modi attended a meeting of the leaders of the United States, Japan, and Australia for the Quad Summit and pleaded to work together for ensuring the peace and prosperity of the Indo-Pacific. US President Joe Biden walked to the Quad Summit with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison and Japanese Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga. PM Modi thanked to Joe Biden for the warm welcome and recall earlier interaction they said. I would like to thank you for the warm welcome. I recall our interaction in 2014 and 2016. That time you had to share your vision for tie between India and United States. I am glad to see you.